Here's a little story about a young guy. He had big dreams, he wanted to fly. So he told everybody and they asked why. They said we've been there before, so don't even try. But he didn't care what they had to say. He kept pursuing, kept it moving like every day. Became a man with a plan in every way. Started climbing to the top cause it didn't play. Then he had a vision cause he knew what success would be. Told the haters take a seat, don't mess with me. You're stressing me, I'm fresh you see, I'm blessed. Then he put the plan into place with action, and much to his satisfaction, the caption read, there is love. They love me, they love me, they love me, they love me, they love. I've got the victory. They love me, they love me, they love me, they love me, they love. I've got the victory. Here's a little ditty about a young girl. She thought she wasn't pretty in her own world. She tried to buy the things and it wasn't cheap, but she had real beauty, more than skin deep. Her friends weren't her friends cause they played games. Tried to bully for real, but she wasn't saying names. Every night was miserable. That girl was crying, but her beauty was incredible. That girl was shining. But then she started looking in the mirror, wiped the tears from her eyes, she saw it more clearer. Mind over matter, a confidence nearer. And she said, I am beautiful. Feels like a brand new day. Girls run the world, Beyonce. Less stress, I'm fresh. Success, I love me. They love me, they love me, they love me, they love me, they love. I've got the victory. They love me, they love me, they love me, they love me, they love. I've got the victory. They love me, they love me, they love me, they love me, they love. I've got the victory. They love me.